Hey there, Farrell here. We are on page 24. Page 24. And we're going to do number 19 right now. So, if you read the question, it talks about coffee filters made with recycled paper and people's opinion of that product. Now, if you look at the table, you can just read it and see what it says there. You know what I like to do is if they don't give you the totals, I like to write the totals along the margin like this. So I make a margin along here and like this. Marginal distribution. There you go, marginal distribution on the margin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up all this stuff. Let me do that right now. So there we go. The total of all the people who thought the quality was higher, 49, and so forth and so on. All the buyers, 36, non-buyers, 97. Now, these two things here, this horizontal area and this vertical area, they should add up to the same number, right? Okay, so that's important. And that total is 133 people total. And the first question says, how many people does this table describe? Well, right there, 133, that's the total. And the next one says, how many of these were buyers of coffee filters made of recycled paper? Buyers, right here. Regardless of their opinion, the total number of buyers, 36. So that's the answer to that question. Done. Let's go to letter B. So here I've done the percentages. We take 49 divided by 133, 36.8. Okay. Now, these three percentages should add up to how much? Well, 100%. And that's in both cases. So this row, that column and that row, they should all add up to 100%. If they don't, you made a mistake. So let's answer the question. So letter B says, give the marginal distribution. We did that. And we did it in percent. What percent think the quality of the recycled product is the same or higher than the quality of other filters? Well, let's see. Higher, right? Whether they bought them or not, it doesn't matter. Buyers, non-buyers, they think the quality is higher or the same. We would add these two percentages together, and our answer is 60.8. 60.8% of these people polled think that the quality of recycled coffee filters is higher or at least the same as other filters. And we are done with that question. This is number 21, and we're going to talk about coffee filters again. And this time we're going to do the conditional distribution of opinion. Now that might have been confusing in the problem. What we're saying is, provided that somebody bought these coffee filters, what was their opinion of them? So that's the condition. So let me do a new table. I'll write this out and so you can see what's going on. So here we go. I need to find the total here. 36 buyers. So out of the 36 buyers, what percent thought that the quality was higher? 20 divided by 36. I think it's about 55%. 55, I think 0.5%. So same thing for this one. Of the people who bought, right, that's the condition, provided they bought the filters, what percent of them thought they were about the same? Do the percentage. 7 divided by 36. So then they say, once you look at all these percentages, is there anything that stands out? Well, you might say, well, of the buyers think that the quality is higher. And the non-buyers think that the quality is lower. Those are the bigger numbers, I guess. That's one thing you could say. So again, in statistics, we're just trying to crunch these numbers and then just take a look. What stands out? What do we see? What do we notice? So there's that question.